Hi. So
Today we're going
I'm
to be explaining what Enthusiastic is all about and its vision and mission. My name is Aanshi.
My name is Kaveri,
and my name is Anvi.
and yeah, this is a introduction to Enthusiastic.
Yeah, so let's try. Eh, Enthusiastic, the vision is a world where people love and support each other enthusiastically.
So this is a vision that we hope to see one day come to life.
We are
Yes.
currently building up to it and we're getting closer and closer with your support, but we're almost there and we just need to expand our platform to
So
become
if you want
completely
other
So
worldwide.
you can so come join us, be a part of us, our
yeah,
community,
not already a
and
part of this community, you can join by subscribing. You can to our channel. You can join by signing up to our website where you can.
yeah, there's so many stuff like you can do. So
You can join one of
explore.
our classes,
Mhm.
join our events, celebrations.
Yeah, there's
Yes,
a lot of things you can do to be a part of this community. So that's the great thing about Enthusiastic.
if you're interested in signing up for our classes or anything, or signing up or to the website, there will be a link in the description to a video which explains all about it.
Yes.
And
So
if you would like to find anything about Enthusiastic, it will most likely be on our website, which is www.enthusiastic.com. The link is also in the description.
go check that out after watching this video.
Mhm.
Yes. Next.
So our mission is to connect everyone all over again, face to face, during this pandemic and even after it.
Yes. So even if it's online all over the world, we're still here. We're still there to support each
Yeah,
other,
like
no
we're
matter where.
always gonna keep on connecting. We're never gonna like not be together. We're always together as a family. Okay,
Together,
so
we are a growing community, and whatever we face, we will face it as one family, which is enthusiastic.
yes, to sum it up. And what is Enthusiastic? It is a community-driven platform for people to express all their enthusiasm.
Yeah.
Why do
So
we do
that's,
it?
yeah.
Why do we do it? Depressing events everywhere in life, COVID, office, school pressures, increasing stress levels, and more.
Also, people are trapped in their small circles, like their friend groups, their family groups, and they're unable to reach outside of their existing friends and family.
So, and one more reason is because our core group of friends and family don't always provide us all the necessary environment for us to fully express ourselves, our passion, our skills, our goals, and all those stuff. So,
And enthusiastic makes
Provide the
this
audience to
better.
express yourself. The audience accepts one and all, perfect or imperfect, and embraces you as an individual. So we were talking about how we do it accepts everyone from different parts of the world with different passions, with different skills, with different goals, and we come together as a community.
And we embrace everyone, however they are. We don't make anyone feel bad because they are a person.
so
They're a
everyone in this community, they're equal to us, and no one's like more or
No one's
less.
more superior than the other person.
Exactly.
And we're doing this by providing free and paid courses, clubs, seminars, and much more for people of all ages and interests.
And so we also have a podcast and post, and it looks into many of our sessions on our YouTube channel, which is in the description. And for that's all that stuff is going to be in the description, so check that out.
we need, why are we doing this? We need access to a network to express whatever we are enthusiastic about or yearn for, simply getting the appropriate information so we can learn new things and grow as a person.
Mm-hmm. And remember the circles you were talking about? So personal circles versus fitness circle, cooking enthusiast circle, science enthusiast circle. Which one do you think is better? For example, I am a cooking enthusiast. Which group of people will embrace me more? My personal circle of friends and family, or the cooking enthusiast circle?
Like
It's
we talked
most
about
likely,
before,
I think it's most likely going to be the cooking enthusiast because they have the same passion as I do.
Yeah.
And
Basically, yeah, you
want,
have to try out new stuff. You can't just stay in your small circle. You have to try it out.
both of the circles are gonna make me feel good, but the cooking enthusiast circle is gonna help me grow and celebrate this passion of cooking.
Correct.
And all these circles together create enthusiastic community as one whole.
One big community, and
Mhm.
so this is give and take. So what you have, you give it, and then it comes back. So
Everyone teaches different things. We all learn different things. That's what it's
So
about.
we're learning.
exactly.
We're learning from each other, and we're sharing our knowledge to each other.
Yeah.
Also, we're creating jobs during the COVID times by paying teachers that are eligible in age.
Yes.
So
here's a peek into EnthuZiastic, some of the pictures, what it is, and yeah.
A basic idea of how EnthuZiastic really is.
Mm-hmm.
So these are community interaction session types.
Older kids teaching younger kids, old teaching young, young teaching old, influencer advice sessions, community camps, mask making sessions, celebrations, group study sessions, and one-on-one sessions as well.
We
That's
have
a lot.
We have something for everyone.
Yeah.
And
so
this is
like one.
Yeah, this is our typical EnthuZiastic calendar. It's pretty full.
Yeah, you can pause the video if you want to kind of look at it more.
And it's always growing.
Mm-hmm.
These are some of our dance classes.
Live.
This is our live coding sessions. So we have Swift classes, Python classes, and we might even get Unity game making. So
there's a lot of activities you can do in EnthuZiastic, and one of them I'm pretty sure you will like.
We also have chess sessions, so if you are enthusiastic about chess, you can definitely check out our chess club and our chess class.
Yeah, online or the actual.
And we also have baking and cooking.
Yeah.
A lot of tasty treats.
You can see that there's some very different types of food.
Also, our cooking club, we have a cooking club for adults, and they make tasty Indian food and maybe in the future other types of food from different cultures. And we also have a kids cooking club, which is for kids, and basically anyone starting from 3 years old and up can make the recipe from them.
Yeah, super easy. Like there's a lot of recipes you can make which are tasty and easy.
You can also check out our YouTube channel playlist for all the cooking classes and recipes,
which will be in the description.
Yep. And we also have mental health classes like spiritual series.
Yeah, basically your mental health, and
we also have science club, they experiment with electricity. So they might
Here's an example
dissect
just
something.
what they did, which is
Yeah,
electronics.
to see the in depth about electronics.
Mm-hmm. We also have sketching for anyone who's an art enthusiastic.
And you can see that they're doing a snitch drawing. So if you're a bit of a Harry Potter fanatic, you can do that too.
Yeah. Also, we have lots of interactions between different age groups,
Yeah,
old to young, young to old, and young to middle-aged, and
all different.
Anything, basically.
everything, any combination.
Everything, anything. Yeah.
We also have science, biology,
Yeah.
If you're interested in that.
and lots of math.
Yeah, so you can, as I think we're seeing that there's a lot of everything. You can find different academics too. So
Yeah, non-academic and academic. So
Yeah.
if you're kind of like a study person, then academic, and if you
Yeah.
like sports and others, then
Yeah. So if you're looking for something specific, you can find that as well.
Also, if you're interested in learning languages like Spanish and Hindi, you can join our classes, and the age group does not matter.
not at all.
You can be 63 years old and learn Hindi. We don't have a problem.
Yeah, we don't care
Anyone
about
who's
that.
As long as you learn and enjoy the classes, that's all we care about.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly.
We also have a gardening club.
It's recent, so it's really nice if you're interested in gardening and plants.
Yeah.
If you want some tips for growing your garden, definitely join
tips and
the
tricks.
yes, definitely join
Tips
the
and
gardening
tricks.
club.
Yeah.
We also we can learn about the earth, like the environment.
Yes, there's.
We have done
Recycling and all those.
And this is a day at EnthuZiastic.
A lot of different people.
And everyone is enthusiastic about something.
Something.
It has to be something. You might be enthusiastic about gaming, could be enthusiastic about eating, could be enthusiastic about art, anything.
Yeah, so see an EnthuZiastic logo, just click on that.
EnthuZiastic is here to provide you the necessary information.
Yeah, so we also have a lot of celebrations at EnthuZiastic, counting art. There's a lot of, like for each event, we have some kind of
art workshop. This is actually the art workshop from Diwali this year. And
yeah, great art.
People drew some diwas, and they also made these clay. They made it out of clay. Also, we have the Dasera event. As you can see, a lot of people got creative here.
Yes.
Yeah, so we're all about creativity and EnthuZiastic. Be creative.
Had a Thanksgiving event, which was like, I think like 2 days ago.
Yeah, and these are some photos that people submitted to us that they wanted to feature. So this person is enthusiastic about baking. She drew a nice picture.
Lots of art.
Yeah, lots of art.
We have a lot of enthusiasts, so.
So come join us at EnthuZiastic.
The description box under this video right below, it contains all the information counting our social media pages, podcast, website, and you can also sign up to participate in our courses, clubs, seminars, and events. And there's going to be a form for signing up to teach at EnthuZiastic. So if you want to be a teacher, then there's also that option.
Yeah,
so check out the description for more information. It will be you'll definitely see all the links and everything.
Yeah.
And that's
So
basically
again,
it.
if you're interested, after seeing all these pictures, if you're interested in signing up for one of our classes or signing up to teach one of our classes, there is a video in the description which tells you how to use our website, which will share all of the information.
So come join us.
We hope you have a great day.
Yeah, have a great day.
Subscribe.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Subscribe. Bye-bye.